Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So I just got something in the mail yesterday and it is Glossybox skincare. And I looked on their website right now and I don't see this as a currently available limited edition box, but they do have an entire skincare line. I did open a lot of the products in a previous video when they first launched. I'm not sure when that was, but it's been a while. So I'm not sure if this was sent to me just to show you guys their newest products or what. I haven't opened it yet. If it is a limited edition box, I will contact them before I post this. Then that will be linked down below and I'll try and like pin a comment or something like that. But yeah, I'm really curious to see what's inside. I kind of am like really proud of myself for not even peeking, but I mean, maybe I should have for like information's sake for you guys, but yeah, Glossybox itself is a monthly subscription. It costs $21 per month normally, but I do have codes with Glossybox or links that apply the codes right away that you can get your first box for $16 if you want to subscribe monthly, or your first box for $1 if you want to purchase an annual plan or subscribe to an annual plan. So I'll link the monthly subscription down below, and they also always have amazing limited edition boxes. Like, I think they are so great. The value is like way up there. So, you know, let's figure out what's inside here. I think it said on the, like, it comes in an outer box too, like a cardboard box, and it says something about like skincare box, like Black Friday 2021. So maybe this is like a rollover of that, or they just used older boxes, which I totally support. But anyways, I think the box is really cute. I don't remember ever getting something like this, and they usually send me their products. So thank you, Glossybox. Not sponsored. Clearly, I would probably know more information. I think they always do such a good job with the presentation and packaging. I love that it has string. If you're one of those, like, people that has cast, this is great to play with. I have like one tied to a chair over there. But I also use it like, you know, you can use it if you're a witchy bitch, you can use it for other things like crafty bitch. I shouldn't keep saying bitch. Ooh, this is like a lot of their line. Okay, I think these are their most popular products. There's 5 things in here. And all of their skincare is great. Like, I've tried most of it. I gave some of it away because I got like their whole line when it first came out. Like, very grateful. Thank you, Glossybox. But I gave some away. But everything is generally like, compared to a lot of like mainstream skincare, I would say it's affordable. Like in the teens, each of their items. And they have limited ingredients. Some of them do have fragrance in it, but some don't as well. So the first thing here is a gentle foaming cleanser, and this is something I've used. So this was at least over probably 6 months ago because I was at my old place. And I've been here almost 4 months, right? Which is crazy. So this is fragrance free. Yeah, I figured because I used this. I liked it. So it's foaming, but it's not super drying. Sometimes foaming can be. No fragrance, removes dirt and impurities without stripping moisture away. So yeah, I've used this, like I said, like too many times, but I do recommend it. I really like it. And then the hydrating mist. I really like mist, especially this time of year. I just try and use just tinted moisturizer and not use too much makeup on my face when my skin's drier. But if you do want to wear something, or just nothing, that like having a hydrating mist definitely helps, and it helps kind of wake you up. Have you guys ever done that? Like, just sprayed on some mist. It's way better than like cold as water in the sink. Like, a mist definitely works for me, at least a little bit. Along with coffee. So this says tones, primes, and refreshes. It has hyaluronic acid, babusu oil, and Inca Inchi oil. It's multi-purpose, lightweight, tones, primes, and replenishes skin throughout the day. And I use this too. I liked it. I can't think, you know, it does the job for sure. I usually just have a few mists around and I just spray them as, like I said, as needed. The next product is the 3-in-1 moisturizer. I think this is their like thicker moisturizer. They have 2. Plumps, primes, and protects. Oh no, this is the lightweight one. They have one that's more lightweight and one that's like a more thick cream that you can use depending on, like, you know, one in the daytime, one at night, or just whatever. If you have like oilier skin, you would go for this one. This is our lightweight 3-in-1 moisturizer. Nourishes your skin and prepares it for flawless makeup application every day. So nice. And this one has hyaluronic acid, subbox, and red seaweed. And then the last 2 things, we have the night serum. I think these are like my top ones that I think I used. I mean, because there was like 12 items. Like, they came out with a pretty complete line. I think the only thing they didn't have that I was thinking was SPF, but maybe they had added that by now. I don't know. But they have like a complete line for sure. And I think I gave away half of it. And these are like all the ones I used because I wanted to, and I looking at the ingredients and stuff. But anyways, night serum, it deeply nourishes and brightens overnight. And it has glycolic acid, Persian silk tree extract, and blueberry oil. I'm showing you all the boxes. They look pretty much the same, but I really like the consistency and their like logo, their labeling and their packaging and everything. And then the last thing here is I use this, the Eye Boost Cream. It reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Fragrance free, which is great. And yeah, that was everything. So again, I will link this specific box if possible. If not, I will link the page for their skincare. And if there's any deals, if I have any codes with the skincare as well, I will leave that down below. So I'll just leave all the Glossybox information down below. And I'll link below to my most recent Glossybox unboxing. It was pretty recently. And definitely like browse my channel if you're into like limited edition boxes. They also have like, I think at least 4 available still on their website as of the day I'm filming this. But anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think. Have you tried Glossybox skincare? If so, leave a comment down below how it worked for you, what your favorite product is. And yeah, just let me know how you guys are doing. I hope you guys are doing well, that you're safe and healthy. I'm so grateful you're here. I hope you consider subscribing before you go if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.